This is really up there. We're in the Mt Moriah Cemetery, which is way up above Deadwood. And it has the graves of some of Deadwood's most famous citizens in it, including Wild Bill Hickock and Calamity Jane and Potato Creek Johnny, who I'm familiar with, and I'm sure is a lovely person. And it is really up there. It is very high up there. It's very windy and steep. So keep that in mind if you're coming up here. It's $2 per person, cash only.
Wild Bill Hickok's grave. And we have Calamity Jane over here.